Why focus on approach and return speed when what really matters to you is faster cycle time, as that translates into more parts and more profit per hour? Since creating the world's first electric press brake, the original e-brake by SafanDarley is the benchmark for productivity in the metal bending world. Using the servo belt drive system, along with its unique integrated light curtain design, the SafanDarley e-brake provides a lower mute point and faster bend progressions than any press brake on the market. The machine waits on the operator. The operator doesn't wait on the machine. The result is shown here. With a SafanDarley e-brake, you get faster cycle time, which has been proven in many cases to generate up to 30% more parts per hour. Combine that with 50% less energy costs and virtually no maintenance required, and the SafanDarley e-brake is easily the fastest return on investment in the press brake market. Cycle time has never been more important, and we want to prove it to you. We welcome the opportunity to visit your facility and explore how the SafanDarley e-brake can benefit your press brake productivity, safety, and profits.